First add the clip. I got this clip in short videos title by searching Jenny Fankum, Newark. Set the format to 916, then I zoom the clip. Split where you want to start the velocity. Then adjust the first clip to 2.5 seconds like what I did. Now add audio. I'm just remove the clip I don't need. Now adjust the speed of our second clip to 0.2x. We're going to do the fast and slow speed velocity. What you're going to do is to split a 1.0 second to 1.5 second, then adjust its speed until it becomes 0.1 second. Now add beat so we know when to speed up a clip. Now split on beat. Then split 1.0 to 1.5 second, then speed up. Do the same process until you finish all beats. Now go to third beat, then add black flash effect. Copy the effect, then put it on last beat. Now go to first beat, and we're going to add flash effect. Add white overlay. Copy it and paste it on every beat. We're done, but I'm gonna teach you some coloring effect using Funimate. Don't worry, it's very easy to add on. Just add the results of your edit. For this edit, I use film damage for vintage effect. Go to keyframe, add effects, then search film damage. Adjust what you want until it satisfied you. You can also add spice on your edit by adding these coloring from Funimate. You have a lot of choices here, and in just a click you had a nice coloring and quality edit. You can download Funimate by clicking its link in my description box. Thank you for watching.